it's Tori. Welcome into my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the lemon poppy seed muffin. I've got everything ready to go, so let's get started. So we all know the absolute worst thing when you're making a new recipe is when you make it halfway through and realize you don't have an important ingredient. So that's why I like to lay everything out in a separate bowl. First of all, that means it's measured, it's ready to go, plus you know that you have everything. So when I was laying out all my ingredients today, I realized I didn't have any poppy seeds, but totally fine. I'm gonna use chia seeds instead of the poppy seeds, so I guess they're technically lemon chia seed muffins today. All right, so the star of the show here is the toned up protein. You're gonna take your toned up protein, it's already measured out. Always put your dry ingredients together first. This way it's easier to whisk them together and make sure it's totally blended. We got oat flour, mixing up with our toned up protein powder. And then we're gonna add some baking powder and baking soda. So they're already measured out right here, just pop them in. And last but not least, our chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon of them, shake them on in. So now you can take your whisk and make sure it gets fully combined here. Okay, so we're gonna set that bowl aside for now. Taking your second bowl, we're gonna do the wet ingredients. So you have a perfectly ripe banana. I like when the banana gets a little more brown like this one. That way it's a little softer and a little bit sweeter. All right, so break it up in super small pieces. That way it makes it easier to mash. You're gonna thank me for that. Small pieces to start. And once you've got it all in there, we're gonna mash it up smaller with a fork. Awesome. Now we mash. Press, press. This is your arm workout today. Mush it down. Okay, so once your banana is fully mashed up, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So to this bowl, we're gonna add maple syrup. Yum. Ooh. Careful. Gets a little messy in the kitchen sometimes. We're gonna add almond milk, preferably unsweetened almond milk. And then I've already juiced a full lemon. So I've got that lemon in here. That's what makes it bright and light. That's what makes these my favorite muffins. And last but not least, 1 egg. Pop it in. All right, so here, we're gonna grab that whisk. Now we mix up our wet ingredients. That smells lemony fresh. All right, last but not least, we're gonna zest a lemon. I love these muffins as a quick snack. They're so light and refreshing. That's why they're my favorite. They're also really great for dessert. Sometimes I top them with some coconut yogurt. It's the best. That's the way to do it. Okay, we're gonna take the wet and add it into the dry ingredients. You wanna add it slowly, whisking as you go. One last time, we're gonna whisk it all together. It's your last arm workout of cooking, I promise. Make sure everything gets mixed together. Really get in there. Okay, this looks perfect. All right, so this is what your batter should look like. Perfectly folded in. All right, so grab your coconut oil, if you can open it. Okay, grab your muffin tin, give it a good spray. You wanna hit every one, make sure you get the corners. And now, just scoop out a tablespoon of batter, and we're gonna put it into each one. Just scoop it off. Make sure you cover up the entire bottom of the tin. We're gonna put them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then let's see how they come. See how they came out. Ooh, these look amazing. Yay, let's let them cool and then I'll try some for you. All right, so once the muffins cool, you pop them out. I like to lay them on my little marble display countertop, and it's all about how you present it, right? So toss your blueberries on top, sprinkle them around, and take a little sprinkle of chia. here are your lemon poppy seed muffins. Enjoy, babes.